Hello art friends and welcome to another random drawing prompt challenge. This is episode number 4.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, fourth one we've done. Basically what we do in these challenges, we've got a magical fishbowl of great ideas, and there are just random prompts or ideas or things in there, and we just grab one and we draw it, and then at the end we compare our drawings, have a little chat and see how funny it is or how cool it looks. And you can follow along as well at home. So all you need is some piece of paper, something to draw on, something to write with, pencil, marker, whatever, and basically pull out a piece of paper and then we have to draw it. Simple as that, lots of fun. All right, you can do the honors of drawing it out.
Sure. Draw a headless pig.
Okay, so there we go. We have to draw a headless pig. A headless pig. Well, that's going to be interesting. So there we go. Let's get started. Alrighty, and we've finished drawing our prompt, which is to draw a headless pig. And let's have a look to see what we've drawn. What have you drawn?
I drew a pig running into the wall, and then his head fell off, so he's kind of stepping on it.
Yeah, well, there's definitely a headless pig. Because his head fell off and he's saying, "Ow, where is my head?" Yeah, it's pretty hard to find if your head is not attached to your body. That was really good. I like that. And this is my drawing. So my pig was headless, so he didn't have a head, but the farmer was secretly a mad scientist, so he actually built a new head for the pig. So he gave him a robot head. There we go, a new improvement. And he's very happy. He's jumping around on the farm. He's obviously happy with his new head. Oh, there you go. Hope you followed along and drew your own headless pig. If you like these drawing challenges, we've got more of these videos and other drawing videos on our channel. So have a look and watch some more, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!